Okay, it's June 17th, 2020, 1947, Amesbury FM, coming at you once more. It's the usual place again. And we're back up here on a Thursday. It's a bit overcast today. We've had some thunder already and a bit of rain, but it looks as though it's going to dry up again. I wanted to talk a little bit about a word in particular that's misunderstood. In fact, there are many words, but there's one in particular that sprung to my mind today. And that word is radical, and gets used quite a lot these days. And it's usually a word that's used as an insult to describe somebody, and has all sorts of connotations. But whenever I see it used, except in very unusual cases, the context suggests to me that the word is actually being used wrongly. It's the wrong word. And I don't think this is any accident. I think a lot of our words are being co-opted to mean things other than what they actually mean. So, radical. We've all heard it, and we all probably draw inferences about what it means, and none of us ever look it up in the dictionary to see what it actually means. It comes from radix, which means root. So to be radical literally means to get to the root of things. And that's really all it means. And personally, I don't see what's wrong with that. In fact, some of the problems that we experience today arise out of the inability or unwillingness to get to the root of things. In other words, ironically, the problem is we aren't radical enough. Solzhenitsyn once said that if you want to destroy a people, you sever it from its roots. In other words, you de-radicalize. You know, you do the one thing that actually sounds really good these days. But it turns out it's not very good at all. Not in its basic definition. And not according to one man who perhaps knows as well as anyone how societies can go off the rails.